Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bailey, if you're new. I haven't posted a video in a while. For like a month straight, I've been trying to make these videos and they're just kind of longer. So I thought in the meantime that I would post a little mini video. I've been seeing these like blazer sets all over social media and I love them. But I didn't want to spend a bunch of money and I really couldn't find any from stores that I loved. So I decided to go to the thrift store and pick one up for $10 and make it myself. It's very ugly right now, but I'm gonna show you how I make it cute. You could totally use the sewing machine and it would probably be a lot easier and faster, but I didn't, so let's just get into the video. So you're going to want to go to the thrift store and pick up a blazer set. Mine was like $10. Second, you're going to need a little helper. This one's name is Kusa. You're going to need some thread, some safety pins to pin it. I also used like the regular sewing pins, and you need a needle also and a pair of scissors. The next thing you're going to want to do is put on the skirt and measure where you want it cut, and then pin it. I like my skirts shorter, so I pinned it and then just started cutting from there. So once I had it all the way cut, I just took some regular pins and folded up the hem and then pinned those together. Okay, so the hem I'm using is like a no-show hem. You're going to want to take the hem and sew that, and then take a little piece of fabric from above and then just sew that together. It's kind of tricky, but I'll definitely link like a video below on how to do this stitch. And you're really just going to want to do this all the way around and then tie a knot at the end. And yeah. Super stoked on how this turned out. I love just pairing it with like some sneakers and just wearing a bra underneath, or some like black chunky boots is really cute too. But I appreciate everyone watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.